Alright. Let's see. It's a nice looking area. Are we on an exit ramp? No, we're not actually. It looked like it was connected straight to the highway.
Lendava.
A lot of flat
Double
land here.
blue.
That's a whole ass
double blue.
cornfield. It's a big cornfield.
Wonder.
Have you seen any signs yet? Or anything that like indicate?
It's, I mean, it's in meters, so it's not the US, obviously.
200 meters, yeah, I do see that.
The plates were blue, white, blue, and I believe that was Italy, but this doesn't look like.
Oh, this plate is blue on the
Italian.
left and then white on the rest. If you know what that is.
I mean,
That's a
this
basketball
language,
court.
This could be Czechia again.
I haven't seen the language yet, but I would agree it probably would be an area like that. And check big on the basketball, and there's a whole lot, multiple basketball courts over here. Just saying, just saying. Their signs are fucking weird. What does that sign even mean? Oh, they have a mirror in the middle of the road. That's a classic.
I'm just gonna go
Mirror on both sides, actually.
I don't know. This sounds interesting, this area.
Dude, there are mirrors on every single road in this neighborhood. Why
They're
do
in a
people put these
neighborhood?
up? Yeah, I'm in a whole neighborhood right now, and it's pretty nice home.
I'm on the
not gonna lie.
highway.
I don't have time to guess. I'm just gonna click randomly.
Slovenia.
Oh, damn! I actually got kind of close with
we
that.
got
random
close.
guess.
Yeah, we got closer.
I was gonna say, I was in a very nice neighborhood, and on every single road was multiple mirrors connected to signs, like big mirrors. Yellow, our taxi directly behind us. Do you know what kind of taxi it is?
Well, this is Arabic. Probably
Very, very dry land.
Oh, Tunis. This is Tunisia. Right up.
Yeah, that is very Arabic.
There's a sign that just says Tunis.
Okay, let's try to get I'll guess like
I already
here.
Sure. It might not even be in there. It just has a
Well, it's
sign
close
pointing.
to Tunis, so I'm just gonna guess in the middle of Tunis because it says that it's like relatively close.
They went Spain.
Why did I guess Spain, bro? Why? Did they look at the Arabic lettering and think it was Spain?
Like, that's definitely Spanish.
Yeah, that's interesting to say the least.
Whoa, there's cows over here. Why does this feel like a Mongolia?
Oh
But
shit! It kind of does look like the mountainous terrain and all that.
I just see cows. I'm like, that's Mongolia.
Oh, well, last time we had Mongolia, it was like crazy mountains.
Nah, I don't. I think this is somewhere in Africa.
Probably.
This mountain's kind of crazy.
And they got some crazy fashion around here, huh? I think this is Africa, somewhere in Africa. I don't know where though.
Be like a Lesotho or Eswatini. Those are
I'm
kind
gonna
of
go Kenya
square.
because I like the name Kenya. I don't think it's Kenya though.
Lesotho. Oh, smashed them.
What? Why did they go Australia, bro? Who are we playing against?
We're playing against
What?
Radiant Archipelago 480.
Is there like a tribe of African Americans living in a desert in Australia
The
that I don't know
Aboriginals.
about? True.
One more
Alright.
game.
Yeah, I need to go against someone who actually uses their brain.
Alright. Oh, we're against the other team that didn't play. First round.
Really?
Yeah, let's see.
One of them is pretty high rank. You see their border?
Yeah. I mean, this could be Russia.
Where the hell are we, bro?
Looks like Russian. That
Oh,
guy.
they instant knew.
That guy said it is Russia.
That's the guy right there that knows.
But Russia's so large, it's so hard to get this correctly.
I'm gonna go like here.
Yeah, you go there, I'll go here. Never mind, it was Ukraine.
It was Ukraine. They must live in Ukraine. They know that shit too well.
Cheater. Wait, why does that guy have an emblem? What does that mean?
That's what I'm saying. I think that's the guy that was high rank. Also, why are we put against players like such a higher rank than us in this mode? Like, does no one play this shit? Did they have to do that?
I don't know.
I don't know these signs at all. Do you know where Pod Kopkem is?
I can't say I do.
Or Huriste?
Oh, Brno. I know Brno. That's very familiar. Pretty big city.
Say?
I don't know where it is. I forgot now.
I'm trying to read the sign, but it's so small. Where the hell is... It's meters. I know that.
I think it's Poland.
It could be Poland, actually. That's not a bad guess. Warsaw. There's Czechia.
There's Brno.
They knew exactly.
I definitely knew. I heard the name. I knew it was a big city. I couldn't find it.
It's the same guy that's guessing it every time. Dude, this is just a classic situation of we're going against someone that no life's a game, bro. Okay, I found a super extremely small truck. This thing is tiny. What the hell? Maybe it was just the angle? That shit was like squished. Oh, that's a sign, that's a sign, that's a sign.
Yeah, it didn't really help me.
It's kilometers. This guy just knows.
Boy.
He just knows this road. He must.
He lives on this road. These look like African trees, kinda. I don't know.
What does the truck underneath us mean? Our truck?
Yeah, I wasn't getting
Bro,
that.
how do you know that's just Argentina off the top? Oh, I guess Chile.
We're not dead yet.
I just want to know how they know this shit that quickly. There was literally nothing that indicated what it was outside, just the terrain.
This gives me an Ireland, Isle of Man, or
This is that, yeah.
or UK vibes.
It looks like it's a very moist
Beach
area based on the road. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, it's very foggy.
Like, probably rains a lot here, which is an Ireland vibe.
True.
There's a cafe. It's called Open Cafe. That's the name of it. Okay.
Oh, here's things with signs. I can't.
I'm surprised they haven't guessed this.
59. C159.
Oh my god, what did I just walk into? I walked into a void that won't load.
You can press that little flag.
I'm clicking back. Okay, yeah, I literally stepped into a void that just broke the whole game. That sucks, because I saw a sign too.
Oh, I stepped into that void as well. You go Ireland, I guess I'll go somewhere here.
Oh my god, I clicked on the one spot.
Oh, never mind. That was somehow...
How do you know that's Australia in general? Dude, I found one sign, and the second I clicked towards it, my whole game just went into a void.
Oh, this guy's champion division 1663.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, like why are we playing against a champion when I'm literally like unranked? Like his thing is like his purple star, I think, is like an actual rank, or like it's like a thing that's like.
It's an almost 80% win ratio in duels.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. That guy kind of just knew where he was for the most part.
Are you all set? Are we play another.
We can do one more because I felt like I got cheated going against someone that high of a rank.
Over 1,000 more LP than me.
I mean, look at me. I think I'm the lowest rank in the game. I don't play.
Exactly. Oh, we're against them again.
Yeah, I can tell why they put us against him because no one else is playing the game.
They're just farming.
This is probably what they do. They just farm against bad players. Oh, that's a big sign right there. They're gonna guess this shit very quickly. If they find this.
Ooh.
See, I'm better in like. I'm better with guessing areas that have more words for me to read. You know what I mean? Not just the names of a place.
Do you want to go Bratislava?
Zamok Bonjanis.
You got 5 seconds. Oh, smoked him.
Nice. Wait, where did you guess?
The other side of Slovakia.
Dude.
This looks like a chili.
That's an instant sign right there, peligro. That's Spanish.
I'm feeling chili on this one. This could be also Argentina.
I guessed Santiago.
Okay.
I don't think guessing Santiago was the correct play. I should have guessed
go up farther.
more in the mountain line.
Oh no!
Sheesh. Okay, it was Argentina. It wasn't the mountain line though, just the opposite side of the mountain line.
We're smurfing. Like our
We're
ARAM game.
smurfing.
I think this is Japan.
Is our win.
Japan?
I could definitely see. Just guess early so they don't have time.
Yeah. That is Japan architecture.
This definitely looks like a Japan. Go quick.
I'm gonna go near Osaka. I'm going near Osaka.
Okay, I'm gonna go up here, even though I don't think that's the correct area because this looks more rural.
Go over here.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. Go more the rural area. Ethan guessed. Maki guessed.
No.
Oh, he knew that shit dead on, bro. It's good though. We didn't give him too much time to think. That's the better way to do it. Okay, do you know what this is?
Philippines.
Because I'm not gonna be able to get this. Oh, it's red dirt.
It doesn't.
Very, very red dirt.
Could be Brazil.
I'm getting some Brazil vibes from this. That guy looks Spanish
It could
right
also
there, and he's
be
on a
like,
motorcycle.
you know, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Cambodia.
Well, let's each guess one.
I think these are concrete roads, which makes you want to go to the Philippines.
I was gonna go Thailand.
Okay, I'll go Philippines.
Yeah, I went from like a dirt patch to just straight concrete.
Oh, Sri Lanka, all of us are wrong.
Damn, I was closest though.
Sheesh.
Sri Lanka. I feel like last time we got Sri Lanka, it was
This already looks like America. But it's not.
Is this America?
No, it's
I was
not.
gonna say I don't think this is. They're loading you saw those guys loading. You saw those guys loading like a table into their trailer.
No, I didn't see that.
Okay, I'm on a road. This is a nice area.
I want to call this guy up. Honkma.
Honkma. I feel like they're gonna get this. Yeah. How do you know where this is? Where the fuck is this?
I feel like if I knew the language it would be easy, but this kind of looks like a Finland. I see a lot of birch trees, so I'm just gonna go Finland.
Belarus.
Oh,
It was Finland. Good guess. You got closer than him too. But how'd you know it was Finland?
It's the last second. Yeah, there's Finland pretty much only has birch trees, so if you see a ton of birch trees, it's just a good guess to go Finland.
Okay, I don't have any clue where this is though. I'm terrible with these landscapes. Cause it's just literally flat land. That's all this is.
In some ways that's not the worst, because then you kind of know like what countries it can't be.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is like I will never know these because I don't take the time to like study the flat land of places, you know? Like this could be anywhere.
Well, there's a white guy. There's two white guys. They kind of look white. The plates
I mean,
are
yeah, this is
pure
probably
white. This could
European.
easily be Russia.
Oh, or it could be Russia too, yeah.
Like a really weird Russia. Or like Ukraine.
I'll go like here.
I'll go like Romania.
Ooh, how
Oh,
far?
it's an island off of Estonia.
We're good though, we're good. Yeah, I
I've
know,
never
that's a
seen
really
that.
weird spot.
Oh, this is Dakar.
Triple
No,
damage.
not
Oh
Dakar.
shit.
This is that really crazy country.
Yeah, that small island.
Well,
Is it that one?
there's UAE and Qatar. I never remember which one it is, so I'm gonna go the UAE if you want to go Qatar.
Okay, just click wherever we want to go.
I'm gonna go there. If you want to go somewhere over here.
I'll go.
I guess this could
I feel
also
like
be
I feel like if you
Tunisia.
know I feel like if you know this building, then it's such an obvious guess. It seems like a pretty historical building. Oh, nice. You were closest.
Oh,
Oh, they're dead.
We got him.
Easy.
Wait, now I can spam my emotes.
Hell yeah. I'm now a hiker. Damn. Wait, we smacked that guy. He's how high already?
1,000 more than me, so 16 something.